I'm holding the output in df. And I'm viewing the dataset. That's my dataset. 3 columns: supplier, X, and OTD. So X is would be my input variable and OTD would be my output variable. What does it stand for? On-time delivery. Will it there or not? So for that purpose only, I'll created my X and Y. So in if I go for Sklearn, I need to go with the 2-dimension inputs. For output, I'll take same OTD and put it Sklearn. I'll say linear model, import logistic regression, and I created an instance of this logistic regression, or rather than logistic regression, let me go with logistic. Okay, let it be logistic regression only. LR fit, I say X versus Y. LR score X versus Y. 0.8 is your score of, you can say, accuracy sort of thing. So for predicting this, we do have option of let me create one column OTD1, which is the predicted column. I predict, I'll say X. You see, let me take first 5 values only. It's a prediction. So once you compare it, so let me, for comparison, let me work out some. OTD was my actual value and OTD1 is my predicted value. So let me have a count OTD. So we can classify this 0 cases were predicted as 4 as a 0 and 1 as a 1. Similarly, one case has been predicted as 0 in one case and 4 1 as a